forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Starting off this morning with some heavy downpours to the northwest of Nashville in southern Kentucky. Let's take a look at what's happening on the forewarned live radar. We'll take a look at the big picture view first, and you can see that cluster of storms that extends up towards around Paducah. They got some flash flood warnings, so be aware of that if you're traveling up in that direction along I-24. That activity is lifting to the northeast. The bigger system is farther to the northwest, though, and that's going to get a little closer to us later on today, give us a better chance of scattered showers and storms for at least the northern half of the mid-state from mid-afternoon through this evening and overnight tonight. Here's where the rain is. You see Middle Tennessee is almost completely dry at this point. One little shower here in northeastern Montgomery County, moving towards Robertson County, is going to be moving into southern Kentucky very quickly. Heavy downpours through northern Trigg County, northern Christian County, northern Todd County, on its way into northern Logan County. But all that activity moving to the northeast, it's going to move out of our counties in southern Kentucky, and we'll spend most of the day in a break from the showers and thunderstorms until mid-afternoon, more likely by late afternoon and this evening. Seeing some clouds redeveloping over Macon County, but we'll take that cloud cover a little ways off the ground rather than the reduced visibility with all the fog we had yesterday morning. Westwood Elementary School, Manchester, looking good at this point. No fog in Carthage, so if Carthage is fog-free, most of us are fog-free this morning. Kind of that filtered sunshine over downtown Nashville, but it is a warm, muggy morning. It's going to be a hazy, hot, and humid day overall. Temperatures right now in the low to mid-70s area-wide. The one exception, 67 degrees in Livingston. A little higher terrain there, so you're slightly cooler, but otherwise it is unusually warm, even for a July morning. We head through the day. That break from the rain will last for most of the day. The showers and thunderstorms getting out of southern Kentucky by 9 a.m. Couple of showers and storms could start redeveloping already as we head towards mid-afternoon. More likely by late afternoon into the evening hours. And again, when you look at the radar simulation that these computers produce, you can't pin down the exact timing, the exact placement. We look at the overall pattern, and the overall pattern yields a better chance of those scattered showers and thunderstorms along and north of Interstate 40, but we can't rule it out farther to the south either. That's going to continue through the first half of tonight. Then that activity will lift off to the northeast. It'll be out of here by early tomorrow morning, and we'll see mostly dry conditions throughout the day tomorrow. The storm track gets nudged a little farther to the north by the hot air that's going to be building in from the south. Temperatures tomorrow back above 90 degrees, and the heat index will be in the mid to upper 90s. Severe weather not anticipated with those showers and storms redeveloping this afternoon and this evening, but we can't completely rule it out. So a marginal threat, especially the farther north and northwest from Nashville you go. And then our storm chances drop the rest of the week, which means the severe weather threat is back in the low category tomorrow through at least the first half of the weekend. Dog walking forecast for today. It's going to be another warm and sticky day overall. Mid-80s by noon, upper 80s for highs this afternoon. But the later in the day you wait, not only is it going to be hotter and more uncomfortable, but also our storm chances are going to start increasing by late afternoon. So if you still got time before you leave the house, now's your better time to get out for a little walk around the block. We'll check out the 7-day forecast coming up again in about 7 minutes. First, I want to say hello